Hey, I'm Stephen Galanius, and today I'm going to show you how to use the voice-activated navigation on the Sync 3 systems that comes in your Ford vehicles. So there's two ways of accessing it. The first one's going to be that's on the map directly on the home screen. There's also a navigation button on the bottom. From there, you're going to select your destination tab. You can search individual addresses, previous places that you've already gone. You can set up your house and your work, and also favorite places that you like to go to. If you're out on the road and you need somewhere to stop for gas, it's very simple. You can press the fuel icon here. And the nice part is it's going to let you know that certain gas prices are at certain places. So if you want the best rate in town, all you have to do is press select and hit start from there. Everything is voice activated as well. So if you press the voice activated key,
say a command.
tell her navigation.
Navigation.
Then
Please say a command.
You'll say destination favorites from there.
Please say a line number.
It'll give you a list of things and you'll say number 1 for going home. So once you have your house set up, all you have to do is say the house command and to go home, and then hit start from there. If you want to go to a specific destination and you know the address, press search. From there you can start typing in the address that you want to go to. Things like east and south and west, you don't have to press in the whole thing. All you have to do is use a letter. So once you find the place that you want to go to, Dahl Ford of Davenport, hit select, and like I said, hit start from there.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, and then the route guidance will start.
Once you have your destination set up, you can zoom in at any point in time. You can also go to the menu as well. If there's a detour and you know you need to use a detour coming up, select the detour button and it will guide you around. It stays up to date with traffic as well, and it also keeps you up to date on the speed limit. So if you have any questions or you want to test out the new system, feel free to give us a call, 563-391-2600. Thanks.